enjoy the videos and learn one or two. Those that join my team, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you. So if you want me to, damn, this content stuff is hard, man. How do I say? Okay, so we're going to succeed in design. You must master 2 languages. Visual design, that is your Figma, and business language, like what I'm doing, which is conversion. So where the profit comes from in design is actual designing, which is actual working for clients, building systems, and then teaching. I don't have a course yet, but I will soon. So your design must always translate into business results. If you can't articulate how a new feature increases revenue, you're just drawing. Speak in metrics. I think that's enough for today. If you want to learn design, web design, graphic design, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to be posting this on all platforms. So anywhere you see it, you can reach out to me. Please click the like button to help the page grow. I need this to get more than this. So thank you.